this video, we're going to show you how to add PHP Islands to include the include snippet pages in a PHP page. To do that, we're going to make a copy of the index page with a PHP extension. So I'm going to right-click on the index page and copy it. Then I'm going to paste it at the root JavaJam and modify its name slightly, just the extension PHP. I'm going to open that page in my editor. And because we're not going to use the index.html page anymore, I'm going to drag that into the sources folder. Don't really need to search for references and click OK. If I search for references, that's basically going to change the nav, to change the path in the nav, and I don't want to do that. Click OK. Alright. Now, let's add or edit our page to add a PHP island. So I'm going to replace the header structural element with an include pointing at the header.inc.html.php page. So select that text, put in a PHP island. Notice that PHP Storm gives us a code hint for include. Single quote includes the folder, so I now need to put in the path to the file that I want. So it's in the includes folder, and I want the header.inc.html.php page. Finish that off with a semicolon and close the PHP island. Now let's do the same thing for nav and footer. And I notice that I did not put the correct function name here. PHP Storm gives me a little color difference to let me know that I'd made a mistake. I'm going to hit save. Alright. Next, we're going to have to change the nav page slightly. So double click on nav to open it. Because the name of the index page is no longer index.html, it's index.php. Let's save that. Now, let's try our new index page. I'm going to open a browser and navigate to my localhost CAS 225 JavaJam folder. Here it is. Notice that I did not put index.php here because the server already knows that index is the home page. Looks like I have a bit of a problem. My navigation isn't showing up. So let's head back over to PHP Storm and look at our code. at the index page and I see that I misspelled includes. Resave that, and my navigation shows up. Now all we have to do is basically run those same steps for all the other pages in the site. I'm going to do one more page as an example for you, and then I'll leave it up to you to do all the rest of the pages in the site. I'm going to copy the menu page, paste it as menu.php at the root JavaJam folder. Move menu.html into the sources folder, just in case we need to reference or look at the original code. Then replace all of the structural elements in this page with their includes. So select the header tag, the nav, and the footer. Alright, in the next video we'll show you how to define a constant and use it in our navigation.